Hey, hello hackers, welcome to the Hacker Show and you are watching Hacker Associate broadcast. In this video series, we are going to learn about automated SSRF Scanner Pro framework. I am going to teach you how to use this tool effectively, and this is all-in-one SSRF Scanner Pro for Cloud API, bug bounty program, web application, mobile and beyond. So in this section, I want to provide you the resources to you so you can download it, you can go through the resources, download it, learn it, so it will really help you out, okay, how to use this particular framework effectively. So let me share the details to you, how you can go through the resources, how to download the resources and how you can play with it. Okay, so I want to create a very interactive experience, okay, regarding this particular framework. Okay, so I'm going to give you the flipbook, and flipbook only the member is going to receive, okay, not everyone they're going to receive my flipbook. So first of all, you need to go to this particular section called grab your free SSRF Scanner Pro mind map. So I already mentioned that hack smarter, defend better with this particular framework called automated SSRF Scanner Pro. So just click here and go through this, and here, okay, you will see complete mind map, okay, about this particular framework. So what this tool do, you will get an idea, okay, when you go through this particular mind map. I will explain this mind map, okay, in the upcoming video section. Right now I want to provide you the resources. Okay, this is our main goal for today's series, a today part. Next part here, okay, you can see clearly we have a SSRF book. So when you click it here, again you will go to the OneDrive and you can simply click here download. Okay, so this is about SSRF attack. I mentioned all types of SSRF. There are 34 types of SSRF. Okay, you can read it, and if you have any doubt, any question, you can freely ask, okay, on my LinkedIn account. Okay, you can DM me directly over LinkedIn. So you just download from this area, and okay, just example like this, just download it, save it, and you open it up. So once you open it, just click it here and you can see clearly this is complete workbook, a PDF file. Okay, all these informations are available here. What are the types of SSRF and how you can use this particular framework, okay, to identify all this vulnerability. So lot of benefit, okay, member will receive. So if you are watching this video, you can check this website properly and learn, okay, directly from the website first. Okay, so as I mentioned in the upcoming video, I'm going to explain everything in more detail, but I want you also do, okay, your due diligence. Next part, once you download these two things, one is the workbook and second is this one, I will provide you the flipbook. Okay, so what the flipbook do, so you can simply go to this. Here I created, okay, the flipbook. Okay, you can simply go to this flipbook and you can see this flipbook is open now, right? So here, okay, like I want to provide a very interactive experience to my user, so they can learn the things, they can understand it in a proper manner. Okay, so if you are comfortable with PDF, you can go to the PDF, you can download it and you can read it. If you are comfortable with flipbook, which generally I always like the flipbook and most of my user like the flipbook, so you can go and use the flipbook. I will share each and every link, each and every software regarding this particular part to your email address. Okay, so here, okay, you can see all 34 types of attack. Okay, and you simply click on this button and you can clearly see that, okay, like we have a book kind of experience. You can see clearly, right? I can easily see, I can read it properly, I can understand things properly, okay, through the flipbook. So here, okay, like you will get all the information, and when I go to the next page, you will see the table of content like SSRF attack categories, basic SSRF, blind SSRF, semi-blind SSRF, full response SSRF, limited response SSRF, and many more, right? Just go through this particular guide, understand the thing in a proper manner. Now next part, here you can see all informations are available here. Okay, I'll also share, okay, a lot of payloads, okay, to your email ID. You can also test, okay, for cloud stuff, cloud pen testing, mobile application, web application, bug bounty and beyond. We will discuss this part later stages. And here, if you go to this area, when you click it here, you can see all the pages regarding this flipbook. For example, I want to go to the page number 8. You can click on the page number 8 and you can learn about this particular part. Next is, suppose you like this information and you want to bookmark the things. You can simply click here bookmark and you can see clearly the bookmark is going to add here. So let me add a bookmark. You can see page 8, we have a bookmark, right? Now I can click here, I can go and navigate to the page number 10, and suppose I want to go to the page number 8, I can simply click it here and you can see I came back to the page number 8. So this is very interactive experience. So I'll recommend you can use flipbook and understand thing in a proper manner. Okay, So I created a flipbook for Mac system as well as Windows system. So if you are a Mac user, if you are Windows user, this is very easy to open, okay, this file. But this I think you can't open, okay, in Linux, okay. But for Linux user you can use the PDF as well. So this is about the resources which I want to provide you. Next, like first time, okay, if you are seeing the framework, you just enter the detail here. Go to the next area. For example, let's say you will get a payment information here, and you can purchase the tool. Later I will guide you how to use the tool effectively. And you want to understand this particular tool, what exactly do, you can watch my first video. This is the second video, okay, and we are going to record a series of video regarding this automated SSRF scanner pro program, okay, or this particular framework. So here, okay, you see the video when you play it here. So likewise is going to start and understand this particular overview of this particular framework and come back to the video number 2. And here we have all the information, okay, like it is a Bob suite extension designed to streamline detection of server-side request forgery, vulnerability in web application. Okay, why choose the advanced SSRF scanner pro? So my tagline is hack smarter, not harder. Okay, so there are lots of resources available over the internet. So why we will do lot of stuff for finding the vulnerability. So it's better if we have some kind of scanners available or some kind of good payloads available. We can use that payload, we can use that framework and identify the vulnerability very quickly. Okay, so my intention behind this framework is all I need to cover it, like cloud, web, bug bounty, mobile, and maybe anything, okay, any other like GCP related stuff or anything there. Beyond than this, something is there, okay, I need to explore, okay, with this particular framework. So that is the reason, okay, I created, okay, this particular framework. Okay, so it have a intelligent payload injection. So basically I have created, okay, the bot is very intelligent. It automatically check the things and automatically give you the report directly in your burp panel. Okay, so we are not taking any data, okay, from the system. It will be locally running in your system. You can use it and all output will come, okay, to your system directly. Okay, so these are all about it, the SSRF framework. These are the resources, the flipbook and everything you will receive through email, and maybe if you purchase the product, might be you receive the email from our end. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video, and I'm going to explain how to download this particular framework, okay, from that portal, and how we can configure this thing in Bob suite. Okay, so you require license key, that also we will going to mail you once you registered with us. Thank you, have a great day, and I will see you, okay, in the live session. See you in the next session. Have a great day. Bye bye.